Welcome to my Advanced Database Management System course. In this section, we discuss about Couchbase document-oriented data model, key value store, distributed architecture, full text search. Let's enjoy. Couchbase is a distributed NoSQL database management system designed for interactive applications and use cases that require low latency data access, real-time analytics, and high availability. It combines the flexibility of a document database with the performance of a key value store, providing a versatile platform for building modern applications. Here's an overview of Couchbase. 1. Document-oriented data model. Couchbase stores data in flexible JSON documents, allowing developers to model complex data structures with nested fields and arrays. Each document is identified by a unique key and can be accessed and manipulated using CRUD operations. 2. Key value store. Couchbase includes a key value store for fast and efficient data access. It allows users to retrieve and update individual documents by their keys, enabling low-latency read and write operations. 3. Distributed architecture. Couchbase employs a distributed architecture where data is partitioned and replicated across multiple nodes in a cluster. This distributed design ensures high availability, fault tolerance, and scalability, with built-in support for automatic data rebalancing and failover. Full text search. Couchbase integrates full text search capabilities powered by Elasticsearch, allowing users to perform complex search queries on JSON documents stored in Couchbase. This feature enables developers to build rich search experiences within their applications. N1QL query language. Couchbase provides a SQL-like query language called N1QL, pronounced nickel, for querying and manipulating JSON data. N1QL supports standard SQL features such as select, insert, update, delete, join, and group by, making it easy for developers to work with JSON documents. 6. Multidimensional scaling. Couchbase supports multidimensional scaling, allowing users to independently scale different components of the database, including data, index, and query services. This flexibility enables users to optimize resource utilization and performance based on their application's requirements. 7. Cross-data center replication, XDCR. Couchbase supports cross-data center replication, XDCR, enabling users to replicate data between geographically distributed clusters for disaster recovery, data locality, and global data distribution. XDCR provides asynchronous replication with conflict resolution and automatic failover capabilities. 8. Mobile Sync Gateway. Couchbase offers Couchbase Mobile, which includes Couchbase Lite, an embedded NoSQL database for mobile devices, and Sync Gateway, a synchronization service for mobile data. Couchbase Mobile enables developers to build offline-first mobile applications with seamless data synchronization. 9. Security. Couchbase provides robust security features, including role-based access control, RBAC, data encryption in transit and at rest, auditing, and LDAP Active Directory integration. These features help ensure data privacy and compliance with regulatory requirements. Thanks for watching the Advanced Database Management System lesson. Hope you enjoy the lesson. To learn more about Database Management System, please check the next lesson. Never stop learning. Thanks once again to enjoy the lesson.